Welcome to my review of Foligain, a product designed to treat hair loss and alopecia. If you've been struggling with hair thinning or bald patches, you've probably heard of Foligain and its claims of promoting hair growth. In this video, I'll walk you through my personal experience with the product, covering everything from the ingredients to how it worked for me. First, let's talk about the product's main selling points. Foligain is a topical solution that promises to fight hair loss and promote regrowth. It contains minoxidil, an FDA-approved ingredient that has been shown to help with hair regrowth. You can find Foligain in both a foam and liquid form, making it easy to apply to your scalp. The product is designed to work for both men and women dealing with hair loss. The application process is relatively simple, but it requires consistency. You need to apply the solution to your scalp twice a day. Over time, this helps to revitalize the hair follicles and encourage hair growth. But here's the thing. While it's effective for many, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Some users report noticeable results within months, while others might not see much improvement. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's dive into the potential drawbacks. While Foligain can work wonders for some, it can cause side effects like scalp irritation or unwanted hair growth in areas where the solution wasn't intended. It's also important to note that results are not immediate. It may take several months before you see visible changes, and in some cases, you might need to continue using the product long-term to maintain the results. Another downside is the cost. Foligain isn't the cheapest hair loss treatment out there, and if you're using it regularly, it can add up over time. However, considering the effectiveness and the fact that it contains minoxidil, it might still be worth the investment for those who are serious about tackling hair loss. In my experience, I've noticed some regrowth in areas that were thinning before, and I felt more confident about my hair overall. However, it's important to remember that individual results can vary. If you're considering Foligain, be patient and realistic about the outcomes. To sum up, Foligain is a solid option for those looking to combat hair loss. But like any treatment, it has its limitations. If you're looking for a quick fix, this might not be the right choice. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort, it could be a great solution. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and updates on hair loss treatments.